weigh just a tiny bit more than the resulting helium nucleus, the 2 protons and the 2 neutrons. And that very tiny difference in mass is converted into energy. The reaction will create 2 gamma ray photons and 2 neutrinos, which is a type of subatomic particle. And then those gamma ray photons slowly make their way outside of the core of the sun. And then eventually in that process, they get downgraded to like visible wavelength, UV photons, other wavelength photons. The amount of energy that is actually converted is teeny tiny. It's 0.028 atomic mass units, where the mass of a proton is 1 atomic mass unit. So this tiny amount of mass gets converted into a tremendous amount of energy, and then that happens throughout the core of the sun. This fusion process only happens in the core. The core extends to about 25% of the radius of the sun. So it's really just the center part. And actually, the inner part of the core is much more efficient at this process than the outer part of the core, because it depends on the density and the temperature, and the center of the sun is the hottest, densest part of the star. This reaction in the sun is called the proton-proton chain